Yo, what is happening, guys? So now it is June of 2026, and if you're not posting search-based YouTube automation videos, then you're definitely missing out, because it's one of the best business models that you can actually start. And over the last 6 months or so, I've seen some really good channels, brand new channels, going from 0 to like 500, 700,000 views per month and making a couple $1,000s with their channels in the early stages, which is what I like to see as a YouTube search-based automation channel owner. I like to see other channels succeeding, because that means if you start a brand new channel, you can still get success in 2026. Now, the things that have relatively changed when it comes to doing your search-based YouTube automation videos is that you now have to do a little bit more keyword research. And the reason for that is because the competition is so much higher. When you search for a topic like how to delete a comment on TikTok in 2023, you may have had 6 or 7 search results when you type that in, but now there's going to be like 20 or 23. So the way that you actually beat these videos within the actual search results is you make a better video. Okay, so you don't just give any old tip that doesn't actually work. What you want to do is have high quality audio, because the more that people watch your video, the longer the retention, the better it's going to rank. So you want to just overall increase your viewer satisfaction score, and that's going to skyrocket your rankings even further. So it comes down to your keyword research, picking those perfect keywords instead of just spam uploading whatever you find in the search bar. So now's the right time to actually get set up with search-based YouTube automation. And if you want to learn everything step by step, click the first link in the video description or pinned comment and take a look at my community and see how I can help you build your search-based YouTube automation channel to 1 million views per month. So it's not like 2023. You will need to put in a little bit more effort when it comes to doing videos in this year and beyond. But now we have so many tools that can actually help us with keyword research, with finding topics and everything like that, making thumbnails. So you can make really high clickable thumbnails for your YouTube videos right now in less than 1 or 2 minutes with all these tools that we have. You no longer have to rely on Photoshop or Canva. And what you can actually do and stay monetized now is you can use AI voiceovers. But when you're using AI voiceovers, I don't recommend that you spam upload YouTube videos. So it's still one of the best business models to get into in 2026. If you've been on the fence for a couple of years and you still haven't started your search-based YouTube automation channel, I highly recommend that you start, because you're going to be generating this passive income machine that can basically pay you for many, many years to come. So if you just put in a year's worth of effort, that work is going to pay off for you, and you're going to be able to get paid from that work every single month for many, many months and even years to come. So when you actually get into this business model, you'll kind of start off slow. You'll keep uploading. Nothing much is going to happen, but eventually, after around 3 to 6 months of you actually uploading consistently on your channel, your views are going to start increasing. You're going to start getting monetized, and your videos are going to start ranking very nicely in the search results, and that's going to bring you consistent views and consistent money. And once you get monetized, you'll have the motivation to keep going on your channel. Or if you have a old monetized channel already that you would like to use, you can also use that and get into this business model. Because when it comes to doing things like drop shipping, SMMA, building websites, ranking actual websites in Google SEO, those are pretty difficult. Those require high amounts of investments, requires a big time investment on your part, and that's not what we want. We want to be able to spend 1 to 2 to 3 hours on this business model every single day and reap the rewards many, many years later. So I actually started this business model over 6 years ago, and I'm still uploading to this day. And the reason for that is because this business model just simply works. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward and simple. If you come across this video from the homepage or something like that, and you don't know what search-based YouTube automation is, Basically, you take how-to keywords, so how to delete Instagram account, how to form an LLC in the UK, how to restrict comments on Facebook, things like that. You get these search queries that people search for on a daily basis. You make the video about that, solving the exact problem they came to your video for. And when people get value from your video, you'll get a view, you'll get a subscriber, and you'll earn income. And you do this by the hundreds and by the thousands, and eventually you have a channel with 5,000 to 10,000 videos uploaded, bringing in you thousands of dollars every single month. If you follow all the instructions like I teach in my community, and you do all the steps correctly, then you will have built yourself a digital asset that can pay you for many, many years to come. Now, you may have heard of the traditional YouTube automation, but when it comes to the traditional YouTube automation, that means you want to go viral with your videos. You want to post a video, get 100 to 500,000 views with your video, and then rinse and repeat that process on a daily basis. Now, the main problem with that model is you can get hit with copyright strikes. You can get hit with inauthentic content. You can get hit with AI bans. So, and it's very expensive to be able to produce a video for the traditional YouTube automation, anywhere from $70 to $200 per video. And then you have to upload one video every single day. So 7 times $200 is going to be a big budget when it comes to actually making your videos. And that's not something that we actually want to spend on a daily basis. Whereas with search-based YouTube automation, you can get a video done for $1 to $3. You upload 5 of them a day. You spend between $150 to $300 per month, okay, not per week or per day, per month on your videos, and then you get these results from your YouTube search-based channel. And the thing that we're doing with this business model is that we're ranking videos in the search results, and this strategy is not going to die off. You may have heard all these things about, okay, the search is dead, but the search is not dead. The people are still 20 years from now going to be searching for topics in the YouTube search bar, and we can make these videos that people watch every single day and bring in us consistent views and consistent income. So if you want to learn this whole entire process that I just explained called search-based YouTube automation, then you can go ahead and visit my school community. First link in the video description or pinned comment. You can get a $7 free trial, and then you can get all the courses, all the weekly live calls, all for a affordable price of just $7 per month, and you can cancel at any time. So go ahead, check that out, and I hope to see you on the inside.